Hi there, welcome to Crypto Gems. My name is Tej, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on the Ardana crypto, which is about to go on sale on October 28th. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such cryptocurrency videos. This video is not financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. So let's get into the video. You can access the website of Ardana by going to ardana.org, and as for the website, you can mint, trade, stake and earn ADA. It's the first all-in-one stablecoin ecosystem that was built on Cardano basically. So what exactly is Ardana? So Ardana is a decentralized stablecoin hub which will bring the necessary DeFi primitives needed to bootstrap and maintain any economy to Cardano. And Ardana offers an on-chain asset-backed stablecoin and a decentralized stable asset DEX. Some of the important things that you should know about Ardana is that it's fully decentralized. It allows users to borrow stablecoin against collateral, and it's a great store of value even in volatile markets. And again, it's powered by Cardano, which is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies we have right now. When it comes to stablecoin, we have DUSD, which is verifiably backed by an on-chain collateral and will enable borrowers to take leverage on their ADA or other supported assets. We also have Danaswap, which is an automated market maker or a decentralized exchange for stable multi-asset pool. Danaswap is highly capital efficient, enabling swaps with minimum slippage while providing low risk return opportunities for liquidity providers. This project has also collaborated with some of the biggest partners out there. So we have Coty, we have Liquid, DeFi Capital is the investor, Angels are some of the investors, which shows that this project is quite credible and looks very promising. If you would like to get more information about it, don't forget to check its white papers as well. Now let's go through their Twitter account, and over here you're going to see that it has 22.1k followers. So again, it's very early in its stages, and I'm really excited to see how everything turns out when the price of Cardano goes up in the future. So really excited to see how public reacts to it and all that fun stuff. I also want you guys to check out Trezor, which is a hardware wallet that I highly recommend everybody who is in the cryptocurrency world to have it, so that only you have the access to the key. To get this, please check the link in the description box below. Overall, I would like to conclude by saying that Ardana is kind of shaping up to be the missing puzzle piece in the Cardano landscape, and it is on track to unlock the unprecedented value and autonomy to the crypto community with its advanced technologies, inbuilt scalability and unique community governance system and a unified stable chain ecosystem. So I'm really excited to see how the project turns out, positive about the future of Ardana. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.